When your computer fails, don't throw it away. Bring it to Computer Repair of Baltimore today. At Computer Repair of Baltimore, our technicians will fix your computer quickly and efficiently. Cracked laptop screens, data recovery, and all your small business needs. The Computer Repair of Baltimore offers service second to none. For your convenience, we have 3 locations throughout the greater Baltimore area. Pickup and delivery service is also available. Computer Repair of Baltimore. We are Baltimore's best computer service and repair company.